moment ago, I listed 4 stabbing deaths that have happened in the last 3 days, including a police officer. And the Prime Minister glibly got up and said, well, he's going to ban hunting rifles. Stabbings happen with knives, not hunting rifles. Perhaps that's why we see a 32% increase in violent crime since this Prime Minister took office. He's not looking at logic or facts. It's the criminals wielding the knives that are doing the killing. Does he really believe that banning rural hunters will stop knife crime in big cities? Yeah.